Welcome back friends, and in this video I am going to tell you one most important things. When anybody calls you, then you feel that your phone is ringing but incoming calls are not showing on your screen. So in this video I am going to tell you 2-3 methods by which you can fix this problem. So not wasting much of your time, if you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. So first is just go to the setting, go to the apps, and here go to the search for phone app, go to the phone app, and here see the notifications are allowed or not. This must be allowed. If it's not allowed, nothing will come. So first thing. The second thing, if it is after doing this, if the call is showing, you can call from another mobile and see the problem is still there. If problem is still there, then just go to the storage and here clear cache and clear data. Sometimes clearing cache and data may resolve the problem. So these two things you must to check. And then third, go back and go to the setting, go to the notifications, and here do not disturb mode. See, this is by mistake you have just turned it on. If you are if you have done this, means you have made it on, then then you can face these type of problems. So just make sure that this is off. So after doing all the things, just restart your mobile. In most of the cases you see that the problem has been solved, but if it is not solved, then go to the Google Play Store and install Google phone app, and then make that phone app default. Google phone app, go to the here Google phone app and just download it, make it default, and then you will not face the problem. So this is what I wanted to tell you. If you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.